USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share, and then join free Telegram right here. And if you want the signals for intraday swing setup, click the first link below and join the brokers. Check out these links in your free time. Subscribe, like and share, and all of that. Coming back to the chart, starting the weekly, starting your top down approach with weekly. Weekly we are going for this high, but right now we're taking a pullback. Okay, so coming back to daily time frame, daily we are going down. As you can see, most probably will touch this EMA in the times to come, not today. Okay, so yes, we will most likely touch the EMA. Coming back to 4-hour, when to trade, we are consolidating right now. We have to wait for the breakout will come. Your confirmation is this: if the bearish candle breaks below my line, that's your confirmation of the continuation of the bearish trend. That's it. If you want precise entries and exits, join the first link below my video, subscribe, like and share. I'll see you in the next videos. Take care.